here we go, recording. All right, so this is talking about multiple videos on a page. And the example I shared is in our designer training one, we have these little expanders, and these expanders are containing, lots of videos. So, so how do we do that? If I'm in a content block, I'm going to pick a new little, drop-down list, whatever. But on the right-hand side, you have this advanced elements. And when you select that, right down here, you have accordions and tabs. When you choose accordions and tabs, you can create a new accordion or tab as its own block or at the cursor. So I'm going to create it as its own block just to make things, a little more manageable. And you notice then when you create your own block, it puts that as its own block in here with a panel heading and a panel content. You can see right here, panel heading, and then the content is below. So if I want more than one panel, you use the tool over here to add multiple panels. Those are different accordions. Those are different drop downs. And then you can rename them. So I don't know what these are called. So I'll pick selection 1 and selection 2. These are videos, right, that we're watching.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
And then in the content in the panel, so in here is where I would place my links or my videos or my images. So I'm going to go ahead and just copy these two from up above just to use, and I'll just paste it in there. I'm going to copy this one, make sure I get all the text there. I'm going to paste it in there. And now I have content inside of each of those selections. Let's go ahead and move my panel above the progress bar just for kicks and grins and hit save. So now instead, I'll eventually remove this block. But instead I should have my panels. What happened? Where are my panels? Well, I forgot to turn the panels on. So when I select the panels, I forgot to add under accordion. When you're in that panel, put your cursor in that panel. I forgot you got to pick what kind of panel you want.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm glad I recorded this, right? Because Dana's gone. But I want an expander. And now you can see this panel, when I go ahead and save it, now instead of it looking like this, I'm going to have it expand out like this. And then they can pick the video they want to watch. And so, of course, for Dana's one, for this page, I would actually go ahead and remove the lecture page because I don't need that block anymore. And now it's just video. So I'm going to delete the lecture page, and I'm just left with her video. That's it.